What's up, everybody? Are you looking for ways that you can speed up the process on your financial goals? Well, my name's Thomas Hobby. I'm a financial coach, and in today's video, I'm going to be giving you 12 ways that you can speed up those goals. Some of the things that you might be working towards could be getting out of debt, saving for the future, or maybe saving to buy a house. This list will be primarily geared towards helping you get out of debt, but you can use some of these same items to help you save for an emergency fund, or maybe save towards a down payment on a house in the future as well. So let's dive right in. Number 1, use coupons whenever you can. Coupons are free money that manufacturers give out, so you might as well try to use them whenever possible. Just try to be careful because sometimes the coupon may still not be the best deal. For example, if you're buying something at the grocery store that's a name brand that you have a coupon for, the better deal may still be on the store brand even if you don't get to use the coupon. So pay attention to that, but still use coupons whenever you can. Number 2, shop at consignment stores. This can save you a little bit of money, especially on kids' clothes, shoes, things like that. Kids grow so quickly that oftentimes it's not worth buying brand new clothes because sometimes they may not even get the opportunity to wear them before they outgrow them, and you spent way more money than it was really worth. Shopping at consignment stores can save you a lot of money in this area, so make sure you try it out. Number 3, eliminate cable. If you have cable, then you could be saving a lot of money if you cut cable and just switch to a subscription service like Netflix or Hulu. Number 4, go out to eat less often. If you're going out to eat quite frequently, try and step this down in small amounts, maybe from 5 days a week to 4 days a week as an example, so that you can be successful in this. Also, a bonus tip for this one is when you do go out to eat, try to order water because it's free instead of another drink that you have to pay for. Number 5, if you're a coffee drinker, try to make coffee at home more often so that you save a little bit of money on the coffee that you would buy from a coffee shop. Number 6, make a meal plan for your grocery shopping. If you make a meal plan, then you're already going to be planning out your meals, so you're less likely to go out to eat, but you'll also be planning on the ingredients that you need to buy at the grocery store. A bonus tip here is when you go to the grocery store, try to stick to the list that you've made and not venture off of it. I made another video specifically about how to save money on food budgets, so make sure you check that out as well. In that video, one of the things that I discussed is for my family, we use grocery pickup. We personally use Walmart to go. If it's not something that you've tried, I'm going to leave a referral link down below so that you can check it out and save $10 off of your first order. Number 7, try to limit expensive hobbies. Golf is a great example of this. I personally enjoy going golfing, but it is expensive to get to go do. If you have an expensive hobby, try to limit how often you participate in that so that you can save that money and try to put it towards whatever goal you're trying to accomplish. Number 8, cut the gym membership. There are plenty of free apps in any app store that can help you to accomplish your fitness goals at home, so make sure you try to save a little money in this area if you can. Number 9, try to generate some extra income. You could start a business that's been on your heart for a while in your spare time outside of work, or you could start some type of side gig to generate a little bit of extra income. Some examples of this could be Uber and Lyft or DoorDash or Grubhub, something like that. If you want to try one of these and you're not already doing it, I'll leave some referral links to these below as well so that you can try them out and try and generate some extra income for yourself. Number 10, try to say no more often. You might get invited to go out with friends quite often, and that's totally fine if you have it in your budget, but make sure you're paying attention to your budget. And when you get to the threshold of what you've set in that amount, just try and say no. Stay home and save that money. You could even reduce your budget a little bit and say no more often so that you can save even more money towards your goals. Number 11, you can pause your investments. If you're trying to save towards retirement into a 401k or an IRA, or if you're using a health savings account, or if you're trying to save towards your kids' college, you can pause any of those investments and make sure you notice that the key word that I'm saying here is pause. You're not going to stop these forever. This is just for a short period of time while you accomplish some of your other financial goals, and then you can start those back up again. And number 12 is making a budget. This is one that I talk about in almost every video. Make sure that you're actually making a budget and doing your best to stick to it. If you need help with learning how to make a budget or trying to utilize some of the items from this list to accomplish your goals of getting out of debt or saving, make sure you reach out to me and together we can come up with a plan that will work for you. Thanks so much for watching. Please make sure that you like, comment, and subscribe to this channel, and I'll see you guys next time.